When it comes to RC cars, many buyers often end up with models that lack speed, durability, or off-road capability. In this video, we'll compare 5 exceptional options available on Amazon, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your adventures. Stick around, because our number one pick may surprise you with its unmatched speed and versatility that can elevate your off-road experience like never before. DEER 9309E All-Terrain Fast RC Cars for Adults. 40 kilometers per hour, 4WD electric off-road remote control monster truck, 2.4 gigahertz high-speed car, waterproof monster truck with 2 batteries for boys and kids. The DEERC 9309E is an all-terrain champion that delivers excitement for both kids and adults alike. With a top speed of 40 kilometers per hour and a robust 4WD system, this electric off-road monster truck tackles any landscape with ease, whether it's mud, grass, or rocky surfaces. Its waterproof feature allows for worry-free play during damp conditions. This model is ideal for those seeking a thrilling outdoor experience, but do note that it requires some assembly, which might not be ideal for everyone. Nonetheless, the included 2 batteries ensure longer playtime, making it a great choice for family fun or solo adventures. RIAARIO 1/10 Brushless RC Cars, Monster Truck, 50 plus mph, 4WD, waterproof carbon fiber, black, ages 8 plus. Experience speed like never before with the RIAARIO 1/10 Brushless RC Car, which can reach exhilarating speeds of over 50 miles per hour. This monster truck is designed with a robust 4WD system and crafted from durable carbon fiber, making it a reliable choice for thrill seekers aged 8 and up. Its waterproof design ensures that you can take it anywhere, even in challenging weather. Perfect for racing or off-road exploration, while the slight drawback is its price point, which may be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. However, the adrenaline rush it offers makes it worth the investment. A HAIBOXING 1/18 scale all-terrain RC car 18859 36 kilometers per hour, high-speed 4WD electric vehicle with 2.4 gigahertz remote control, 4x4 waterproof off-road truck with 2 rechargeable batteries. The HAIBOXING 1/18 scale RC car is a fantastic option for those looking for speed and versatility at a compact size. With speeds reaching 36 kilometers per hour and a reliable 4WD system, this vehicle excels in off-road conditions, making it great for both beginners and experienced users. Its waterproof feature allows for play in wet environments, which adds to its versatility. Plus, it comes with 2 rechargeable batteries for extended enjoyment. A minor downside is its smaller size, which might not satisfy those seeking larger models, but it makes it easily portable for on-the-go fun. 1/14 Brushless RC Cars for Adults, fast 50 plus mile per hour. RC trucks 4x4 off-road waterproofed, electric-powered high-speed remote control car. Fast extreme all-terrain RC truggy with 3S battery for snow sand. For speed enthusiasts, the 1/14 Brushless RC car is a game changer. Capable of achieving speeds over 50 miles per hour, this powerful truck is built to dominate any terrain, whether it's snow, sand, or rocky paths. Its robust 4x4 system enhances control and stability, making it perfect for serious hobbyists. The inclusion of a 3S battery ensures that you get extended run times for those long race days. While it's a high-performance model, it comes at a premium price, which might deter casual users looking for something more budget-friendly. However, the thrill it provides is hard to beat. Hypergo H16BM 1/16 RTR Brushless High-Speed Electric 4x4 Off-Road Fast RC Car. Max 42 miles per hour, RC truck, remote control 2 LiPo batteries for adult. Compatible with 3S LiPo. Taking the top spot is the Hypergo H16BM, an impressive RC car that marries high speed with rugged durability. Capable of reaching speeds of up to 42 miles per hour, this 4x4 off-road truck is perfect for adrenaline junkies. It features an easy-to-use remote control and comes with 2 LiPo batteries. ensuring you'll have plenty of power for extended play sessions. Its compact size allows for great maneuverability in tight spaces, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor environments. The only slight drawback might be its complexity for beginners, but for seasoned users, it's an absolute thrill ride that's hard to pass up. Thank you for joining us in exploring the top RC cars of 2026. Whether you're a casual user or a serious hobbyist, there's something on this list for everyone. Remember to click the links below to find the perfect RC car that suits your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more exciting content.